Hey there! Welcome back to Money Blueprint Hacks, your ultimate shortcut to mastering the money game online. If you're in the United States and you want your phone to start working for you instead of the other way around, then stick around, because today I'm revealing 10 legit mobile apps that actually pay you real money. And guess what? You can start using most of them today even if you're broke or just lazy. Oh, and before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now. It's free for the first 1,000 subscribers, and you'll get exclusive shoutouts and insider hacks every week. Let's go. 1. TaskRabbit. Get paid to help locals. If you're handy with fixing, cleaning, or even assembling IKEA furniture, TaskRabbit is your new sidekick. You pick the jobs you want, moving, errands, or repairs, and get paid directly after completing them. It's flexible, fast, and perfect. If you're in cities like Dallas, New York, or LA, some taskers make over $1,000 a week just helping people around town. 2. Foap. Sell your photos online. Got a phone camera? You've already got a moneymaker. Upload your pictures on Foap. Brands, marketers, and agencies buy them for social media campaigns. You earn 50% of every sale, so that sunset photo sitting in your gallery? Yeah, it could literally pay your next coffee bill. 3rd, TikTok creator. Rewards program. If you're already scrolling TikTok, why not make it pay you? Creators in the US are earning from engagement, views, and brand collabs. All you need is consistency and a niche. Comedy, motivation, or even finance tips like this one. Get creative, stay consistent, and let the algorithm pay your rent. 4. Swagbucks. Get paid for surveys and simple tasks. Swagbucks lets you earn money just for doing things you already do, like watching videos, playing games, or shopping online. Each activity gives you points that you can cash out via PayPal or gift cards. Super easy, super lazy, and surprisingly addictive once you start. 5. DoorDash. Deliver food and get instant cash outs. If you've got a car or even a bike, DoorDash can be your daily cash machine. Deliver food to people nearby, set your own hours, and cash out instantly after each shift. Top Dashers earn over $1,500 weekly, especially during peak lunch and dinner hours. 6. Instacart. Shop for groceries and earn love shopping? Turn that into cash. With Instacart, you pick grocery orders, shop, and deliver them. You'll earn per delivery plus tips. And yes, people in the US tip generously. Perfect for weekends or flexible side income. 7. User testing. Test websites and apps for cash. User testing pays you to share your opinion on websites and apps. You'll spend about 10 to 20 minutes per test, earning up to $10 per session. And all you do is talk about what you see and think. Easy money for being honest. 8. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Microtasks, real money. Amazon MTURK pays you for small tasks like labeling images, reviewing data, or filling quick forms. It's not flashy, but it adds up. Some users make $100 to $300 a week just doing easy online gigs. Think of it like the lazy person's freelance site. 9. Rover. Get paid to walk dogs. If you love dogs, this one's for you. Rover lets you earn by walking, sitting, or boarding pets while their owners are away. You set your own rates and schedule, and most US pet owners are willing to pay well, plus you get free cuddles. 10. Neighbor. Rent out extra space. Got an empty garage or spare room? Rent it out on Neighbor. People are always looking for affordable storage in their area. You'll earn passive income every month, literally doing nothing but sharing space. And there you have it, 10 mobile apps that are paying real people every single day in the US. Whether you want active cash or lazy passive income, there's something here for everyone. Now here's your next move. Pick one of these apps and try it out today. Comment below and tell me which one you're starting with. And hit that subscribe button. Remember, it's totally free for the first 1,000 subscribers, and we're dropping more real money hacks every week. Thanks for watching Money Blueprint Hacks, where smart people like you learn to make your phone make money. Until next time, keep hustling smarter, not harder.